Hi, my name is Melissa, and this is my portfolio page I have made with Streamlit for the competition and conquest for the bootcamp at C.V.Zone.com. English is not my native language, so excuse me for the word. So this is the portfolio. Hi, my bot there, and we can ask some question about me like this. And they ask about programming operating. Parce que like you see, I'm a developer and an artist painter. So for programming, so I have a response there. And for example, we write in French, and I ask him, talk about you, and they respond in French. So like you can see. So after that, you have the experience qualification I have, the art skill I use. Uh, this is for that one. For the second page, for the professional portfolio page, like you can see, I've put a link to my professional page I've made with Adobe Illustrator and Svija. So it's in French, but you can have a link in GitHub and Stack Overflow there. Link. Little bit some project there on GitHub, and my other side I will come later on that. And after that, you have my professional setup where all the magic is done. And I put this style of graph because I think I saw it's more easy to read visually. So, like you say, Python, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Illustrator and Vija. This is the most language for now I use. Sometimes I use other one, but with the help of AI. And after that, you have my professional gallery. All this thing you can find it on my GitHub page. This is some application, desktop application I have made with Tkinter, and they have other one uh, on GitHub. And this is the my email. And for the artist portfolios, same thing, the same page, but you have the link to my portfolio artist, the web page I have made with Adobe Illustrator and SVJ. So you have the home page here, my journey, where I come and all the stuff. This page is under working. Uh, for the all the magic is done. My painting place, like you say, you have arrow can go left, go right, and after that you have the contact page. So this is for that. And if we come down back, setup, the same type of graph. So the time for the inspiration, the preparation, the painting, they use who studying new technique, and the airbrush. Some of my Canva I have made. Uh, so they have some that's all on there, and these two one is for my son and my professional email artist for the painting and the certificate I have. Like you see, I have some of C.V.Zone, Kaggle, and Udemy. Uh, this one and this one, they have other one in to come. So with my professional email for programming. So you can hide the menu bar at the left, and if I reduce that and I go there, you have my professional web page, the Victorian GitHub page. This is me, and If you click on the link I show you, you will see there. So it's already there. So I have a lot of fun to do that. Some question to the AI for help me with the navigation on all this thing. And I hope you will like it. So goodbye. See you next time.